guys, welcome back to my video welcome back to my channel, and today we are filming this for you guys. So this was solely, and I think, yeah, this was only created using the Jaclyn Hill Vault collection, and we used the Armed and Gorgeous palette, which is this bad boy here. So this look came from this palette. If you want to know how to get this look using only this palette, then just keep on watching. Right, so because this one in my head isn't going to be like a proper smoky eye, what I'm going to do is my base first and then we'll go on to the eyes. So I'll be right back. Base is done, so I'm just gonna zoom you guys in and we'll get over to the eyes. Right, to start off, I'm priming with my PLouise base. First shade we're gonna go in with is the shade Top Secret, which is this one here, and I think that's gonna be our primary focus. So I'm taking this on my SK02 brush and I'm just going to place it in this area here. So green down. Now, oh, it's a bit tricky. I really want to go in with some orange, but I just don't know how it's going to blend with the green, if you get me. We'll try it. So I'm going in with the shade Secure, which is this one here. Very pretty orange. Just gonna run it on top of that bit of green. Okay, forget that. We're gonna go with yellow. We're gonna go in with the shade Access, which is this one here. So we're going backwards and forwards in between the green and the yellow to just build that up. So this was painful. That took me so long to build that up. I've also put a little bit of the yellow and some orange tints into that blend. And now what I'm going to do is pack on some of the shade Prowl, which is this one here, this dark brown. And then going to go in with a little bit of Smooth Criminal and blend that out with that. Could you see how creamy that was? I'm going in with this little tiny brush with the darker shade. Just going to start putting that in the crease so it's less one-dimensional. This brush is absolutely gorgeous for the crease, I'm telling you. It's the JH40 brush. And it's just so nice and pointed. It's really small, but it just fits nicely. Okay, so now it's time to cut the crease. Okay, so what I've done is just kind of wiped off a little bit of that excess base because I didn't want it to get all really cakey and gross. Yeah, so what we're going to do now is so we're going in with the PLouise white base in the shade 0. Room 0, baby. Jesus, that has to be the best cut crease I've ever done in my entire life. Who is she? Oh! Who is she? Be right back once I've done the next one. That one didn't go as to plan. Oh well, it's fine. So now, let's mix it up. Let's go for 2. So we're going to go in with these 2 shimmers here. This one is Coin and this one is Glitter. So we're going to start off with Glitter. Just going to repack my base. And then I'm just going to turn the brush over and go in with Coin. I'm just going to go in with a bit more of Coin on my finger to make it a little bit more intense. and then glitter it on a different finger. And there we go. I'm just going to put a little bit more glitter up here. And there's one I've done. I'll do this one, I'll be right back. Okay, shadow on. Going back in with the two browns and just going to blend that all a little bit better. So first going back in with the lighter Smooth Criminal. And I'm doing them kind of in a like a downward motion, so that when I blend my eyeliner it will blend in. And then I'm going back in with the darker one. I'm gonna build up some of that green in this area though, just to make the brown a little bit more kind of darker. Then I'm also going to add some more depth in the crease area. To do that, I'm going to go with my trusty little Jaclyn brush. And I'm going to deepen that with a little bit of that brown as well. And then finally going back in with a little bit more yellow. And that orange. Right, so let's go with some liner and some lashes. So I've put liner and, not lashes yet, sorry, but what I'm going to do is smoke out my under eye. And then I'm going to put some of that dark brown. And then I'm going to go in with some yellow. Some orange. That kind of really ties that all together. So now I'm going to do my brows and my lashes and I'll be right back. Hello. So I look a fair bit different than before. So I applied my lipstick. I went with the Bobbi Brown lip colour in brown number 4, which is this one here. Very pretty. So I went with that, and I went with my lovely basic Ardell lashes in style 250. So that's what I've got. So this is the finished look for you. I'll zoom you in. Okay. Right, so yeah, this is the finished look, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I really like it. I just think, even though it's a cut crease, it is one that's kind of wearable. I want to say, like, everyone just goes, oh my god, green. But for people with brown eyes, green is actually a really nice complementary colour to wear. But yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, all of that good stuff down below. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!